Hello everyone. Shop for the best online prices on Amazon India in makeup and cosmetic products.
Hi there, I'm Deepthi. When it comes to festivals, there are two things that I cannot resist: sweets and makeup. I mean, come on, there's no better time than this to unleash your inner glamazon. And I've got a bunch of Lakme products, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a full on glam look. First, let's take a look at the haul. I've got the Lakme 925cc cream, the Infinity eyeshadow palette in Pink Paradise, the bold crimson Lakme Absolute Precision Lip Paint, and the iconic kajal. I always start off my makeup with the CC cream. It moisturizes my skin and provides SPF protection. Its mild coverage and lightweight formula make the skin look radiant with an even, flawless complexion. The Pink Paradise Infinity eyeshadow palette is just what you need to doll up the eyes. It has got some really gorgeous shades that you can play around with. To begin, smear a light pink on the inner part of the lid and some twilight shade on the center of the lid. Then add the shade Sangria on the outer corner of your lid. Use a blending brush to blend the colors till you get a nice transition. No eye look is complete without liner and kajal, and the iconic waterproof kajal pencil has got you covered. It glides on beautifully, creating a smooth, clean line. Whether I'm making winged eyeliner, a dark line of kohl kajal, or using it to add some depth to my lash line, it looks stunning. And finally, the cherry on the cake, our precision lip paint. The bold crimson shade is a total stunner. Notice how pigmented it is, and the brush makes applying it such a breeze. The color payoff is so rich, and I love how it ties the entire look together so well. With these stunning Lakme products, I have everything that I need to look and feel great this festive season.